For the right triangle ABC, which is right angled at C, if A equals to 50.4, B equals to 26.2, then determine the remaining part. Okay, let us begin. First, let's try to understand the problem graphically. So what we have here is a right angled triangle. So it is right angle at C. That means angle C measures 90 degree. Here A and B, that is given to us. A is going to be the side that is opposite to angle A, and B is going to be the side opposite to angle B. So let's note that down. So given that angle C, that's equals to 90 degree. So here we have A. So A is going to be the side BC of the triangle. So that is given as 50.4 units. B, it's equivalent to the side AC of the triangle, and this measure is 26.2 units. Okay, so our goal will be to find out the remaining part. That means we need to find out the angle measure of B. We need to find out the angle measure A, and also we need to find out the third side or the remaining side AB. We need to find all of these measures. Okay, to begin with, what we'll do, we're going to consider, so A, let's note it down, A, that is 50.4, and we have B, so that is 26.2. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take this angle. We'll take the tangent of the angle B. Now we know the tangent function is simply defined as the ratio of the opposite to that of the adjacent. So that means we have B over A. The ratio B over A, that is simply tangent of B. We have the value of B and A, which means that tangent of B, that is simply going to be equals to 26.2 divided by A. So that's 50.4. But our goal here is to find out the angle measure of B. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse tangent function on both sides. So taking the inverse tangent on both sides, so inverse tangent of B simply gives us B, that is going to be equals to the inverse tangent or the arc tangent of 26.2 divided by 50.4. So let's plug this value into a calculator, and that will help us obtain the value of angle B. So it comes out as 27.467, but we're going to consider 27.5. We'll round it off to the nearest 10. So here we have obtained the angle measure of B, that came out as 27.5 degrees. Now we'll try to find out the angle measure of A. Now since ABC is a triangle, now clearly in this triangle, the sum of the angle measure, that is going to be always 180 degree. That means the angle A can be obtained by subtracting from 180 degree the sum of angle B and the sum of angle C. We have already obtained the sum of angle B here, so we get 180 degree minus 27.5 degrees plus C, which is 90 degree. So we get angle A measure that comes out to be 62.5 degrees. So now we have the angle measure for A as well. We got it as 62.5 degrees. Now finally we want to find out the side AB or the hypotenuse AB of the triangle. Okay, so here we can take sine of angle B. Now when we take the sine of angle B, so sine of angle B, that's simply defined as the opposite, which is AC, or we can say B, to that of the hypotenuse, where B over C. So that is going to be B over C. What we need here is C. So C is simply going to be equals to B over sine of angle B. We have obtained the value of B. So that is already given to us. B, that is 26.2. So we can replace B with 26.2 sine of the angle measure B. So B, that is 27.5 degrees. So we have sine of 27.5 degrees. So let's plug this value, and C is going to come out as approximately 56.7. So we have obtained the length of the hypotenuse C. So that came out as 56.7. So we have we have now obtained the values of the side, which is AB, and the angle measure of A and B as well.